Hello everyone, today's topic for discussion is obesity, and today I'll be discussing the dark side of being obese. Let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Ashish Sachan and I am a gastrointestinal cancer and bariatric surgeon in New Delhi, India. To begin with, I'll have to start with the body mass index, that is BMI first. To measure BMI, we need a weighing scale and a measuring tape, and we need to measure the body weight and height of the person. BMI is body weight in kilograms divided by a square of height in meters. Let me give you an example. For example, Mr. X is having a body weight of 120 kgs and a height of 1.6 meters. Then a BMI according to the formula will be 46.8. Now, anyone with a BMI more than 30 is obese, and people who have a BMI of more than 40 are morbidly obese, and people who have a BMI of more than 50 comes in the category of super obese. Majority of the problems occurring in obese individuals occur in these two groups of people. So, why obesity is serious? Obese people are associated with a lot of problems like diabetes, cardiac problems, hypertension, back pain, neck pain, and knee joint pain. Some people have excessive snoring and difficulty in breathing. This is a condition called as sleep apnea, and people need BiPAP machine for sleeping properly. Obese people also suffer from depression, stress, and anxiety, and they end up taking a lot of medicines for all these problems. This is a picture which gives an overview of the health risks associated with obesity. And at last the big question comes, how to fight obesity? And whenever a person decides to fight obesity, he or she needs to achieve weight loss. Weight loss can be achieved by adopting healthy habits like a good diet, which includes fruits, vegetables, exercise, weight training, and cardio exercise. But what if these measures fail? According to research, 90% of the obese individuals, they fail to achieve a sustainable weight loss with diet and exercise. So what to do when these measures fail? One has to take a medical advice for that. And according to medicine, bariatric surgery is the gold standard treatment option for morbidly obese people. According to me, bariatric surgery is a blessing to morbidly obese people. And research say that up to 90% of the excess body weight can be lost with bariatric surgery. And the best thing about the bariatric surgery is that the weight loss achieved is sustainable for long term, and it also leads to full resolution or improvement in the problems associated with that. So in the next video, I'll be explaining to you about the bariatric surgery, and I'll be sharing a lot of success stories with you. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.